Good morning students. Our fifth lesson decimal fraction is going on. In this lesson we have seen the addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. Also we have seen the converting common fraction into decimal fraction, showing decimal fraction on the number line, converting decimal fraction into common fraction. After that we have seen the multiplication of decimal fraction. Now today we are going to see the division of decimal fraction. In fourth lesson, operation on fraction, we have seen here how to solve the simple fractions division. Means suppose here 5 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3. We have seen this in the fourth lesson. First write down first fraction as it is, 5 upon 7. Then convert this division sign into the multiplication and take its multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 3, that is 3 upon 2. So here we convert this division into multiplication. First convert this division sign into multiplication and take inverse, multiplicative inverse of second fraction. So multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Now simple multiplication, numerator with numerator, that is 5 into 3, and denominator with denominator, that is 7 into 2. So answer is 15 upon 14. Like this, today we are going to see the division of decimal fraction. In this point, first we convert this fraction into convert decimal fraction into the fraction, and then we use these rules. Let's see the example of decimal fraction. First example is 6.2 divided by 2. First convert this decimal fraction into the fraction. We have seen this in the practice set 15, how to convert decimal fraction into the common fraction. In the numerator, we write the number we get by ignoring the decimal points in the denominator, and we write 1 followed by as many zeros as there are decimal places in the given number. It means if here is 6.2, it means how many places here to the right side of decimal point? 1 place. So 62 upon 10, add that much 0. 1 place is there, so take denominator 10. If there are 2 places to the right side of decimal point, then take here 2 zeros, that is 100. Okay, 6.2 means 62 upon 10. First we convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. Then divided by 2. In this 2 there is no denominator, it means their denominator is 1. Now write down this 62 upon 10. Convert this division sign into the multiplication and take inverse, multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 1, that is 1 upon 2. Now here the multiplication, as per the multiplication rule, numerator with numerator, that is 62 multiplied by 1, and denominator with denominator, that is 10 multiplied by 2. So answer is 62 upon 20. 62 and that 62 and 10 to the 20. Also you can reduce this. These two numbers are divisible by 2, so answer is 31 upon 10 if you divide this by 2. Okay, let me see this. So answer is 31 upon 10, that is 3.1. At last, convert this common fraction into decimal point, because here to the denominator there is 1 0. So give here, leave 1 place and give here point. So answer is 3.1. Let's see one more examples and you will get idea how to solve this. See a question number 2. 3.4 divided by 5. Here is 3.4. First, 3.4 divided by 5. First, convert this decimal fraction into the common fraction. It means there is 3.4 means 34 upon 10, because there is a one place to the right side of decimal point, divided by 5. There is no denominator to the 5, it means this denominator is 1. Now write down first fraction as it is. Convert this division sign into the multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 1, that is 1 upon 5. The multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. Now simple multiplication, 34 ones are 34 and 10 5s are 50. Now here you want to convert this common fraction into the decimal point. For that, here is 50. For the converting, we want the denominator 10, 100, 1000. So first convert these into the 100. We can convert it into the 100. So 34 multiply by 2 and 50 multiply by 2. Because if you multiply by 2 with 50, then we will get the denominator 100. So for that, if you multiply by 2 to the denominator, then also multiply by 2 to the numerator also. So 34 multiply by 2, that is 68. Now the answer is 68 upon 100. Here we will get the denominator 100. Now you can convert this common fraction into the decimal fraction. Here is 2 zeros. So write down here 68, leave 2 places from the right side, give here decimal point and add here 0. So answer is 0.68. Let's see the one more example. 4.8 divided by 1.2. First convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. That is 48 upon 10 divided by 12 upon 10, because here these both are the decimal fractions. So first we convert these both into the common fraction. Now write down first fraction as it is. Then convert this decimal division sign into multiplication and take multiplicative inverse of 12 upon 10 is 10 upon 12. Now here this 10 get cancelled. So here remaining 48 upon 12. If you know the 12's table, 12 4s are 48. So answer is 4. 12 1s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So answer is 4.